Hey everybody, today we're looking at a Sabre Cobalt fifth wheel, model number 37FLL by Forest River. Let's take a look.
Right at the front, you're going to see that you do have storage here. This is where your spare will go, and your batteries will also go in here. Here is your leveling system here. Coming down the side, of course, your propane will be in that little area. Right here, you have very nice pass-through storage with lighting. You're going to have a very nice long power awning with an LED light strip. Coming on down the campside of this fifth wheel, there is an outside kitchen. This is going to have a mini fridge and a pull-out cooktop and a sink.
There we go.
Very nice. Let's go inside and take a look. This Sabre Cobalt is going to be a front living model, so we will start right up here at the front. Your entertainment system is going to be directly ahead. You do have storage on both sides, top and bottom. Your radio and speaker controls are going to be right here, right above your electric fireplace. On both sides, you're going to have trifold love seats that will pull out to make some additional sleeping. You see they are on both sides. Directly in front of your entertainment center is your theater seating. This is going to be have heat and massage and cup holders. Coming down out of the living area, you will be coming right into the kitchen. Here you have a nice countertop that can be used as a coffee bar or for additional appliances. You have storage up above and some storage down below. Right next to that is going to be a pantry area. And right over here, there is even more storage. Coming on into the kitchen, you're going to have a table with chairs and a bench here that can be moved anywhere you need it. Right next to that, you have another pantry area. And this is going to have a residential fridge.
Yes.
Very nice. Back on the other side of your kitchen, you're going to notice that this does have nice solid surface countertops. You have some drawers here for storage. Underneath your single basin sink is going to be a little more storage, and there is some very nice glass front doors up above. Your microwave is going to be mounted here, directly above your 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and even more storage down below.
Yes.
And you have an AC here in your kitchen, a ceiling fan, and there is an AC unit above your living room area. Okay, let's move down the hall into the bathroom. Your flush toilet is going to be right here. It's a nice location. You'll see that Jeremy is right about 6 feet tall and has plenty of headroom. There is a very small step up getting into the shower. Your medicine cabinet is right above your sink, and there is even more storage down below it.
All right.
This unit also has a loft area that has very nice stairs going up. Going up the stairs, if you turn to your left, you will have a little bit of a smaller loft area. This can be used for sleeping, or it would also be great for additional storage. If you turn to your right when you come up the stairs, you'll see that you have a larger loft area with some storage.
And there's a big storage over here on the back side too.
Okay, we may swap places here so you can see this. Give me just 1 second.
And you can show this.
While we're coming down the stairs, there is storage right here. So I'm going to hand the camera off where you can see the rest of this larger loft area.
All right, we got the storage right here. And then on around, we've got the TV hookups, light switch, USB. There's electric and a big storage right there. Nice. And there's another USB and electrical plugs. All right. This is absolutely nice.
So in addition to your 2 loft areas, you do still have a master bedroom. There is 1 step down to get into it. This is going to have a king size bed. You do have storage up above it with some nightstands on both sides and reading lights. In a slide out here, you're going to have your wardrobe storage with drawers. And right back here is another closet that can be used for hanging, or you will see that it is prepped for a washer dryer combo.
All right, folks, if you like this Sabre fifth wheel, the dealership's information will be down in the description below. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow along with us. Thanks, everybody.